and welcome to day 11 of 12 days of digitals. Crazy that it's already day 11, the 11th day of December. Do you have your tree up? Christmas shopping? Yeah, we have our tree, but not so much sure about the Christmas shopping. We're getting there. All right, so today we have 2 large pockets and 2 really cool receipts and a little ephemera piece and some bells. So this is from my digital and this is from Julie's. Really cool again how they can work together because the big tags can go in the big pockets. All right, so let's see, I have my pieces right here, almost all cut out in my baggies. I've folded the pockets and I didn't cut this all the way out because I think I'm gonna make a little booklet with this with some papers and scraps and all that good stuff. Not that, because that's glued together. But I was thinking I have some coffee dyed paper. A couple of those. And then I have some book pages. And let's see what else. Maybe that will be good. I don't want it to be too thick, so I'm just going to fold this in half. And I probably can get 2 out of this. I'm hoping that we're not going to have a lot of construction noise, but they are working some more in our backyard, so I'm hoping it won't get too crazy. I was trying to wait till they were done, but I'm like, oh man, then the 11th day is going to be over, and I haven't posted my video. Several of the videos I did back to back, and I recorded them, and then I was hoping to do that with this one, and it didn't happen. I went over to my mom's house yesterday and helped her set up her Christmas. So now she has her Christmas tree and some other fun Christmassy things up. So she's all decorated. All right, I think that will be a good amount. And I'm just gonna, maybe we'll just trim it right there. Oops, not very straight. Nope. All right, all right, all right. I will take them apart. And yesterday, it was the first time we've had rain here in over 100 days. So that was nice. It was a chicken soup, wear your slippers kind of day. It was very nice. All right. I don't think I trimmed this part very well either. My goodness. And then just thinking what else. staple this? Or do I want, let's go ahead and add some, we'll make a little, just a small little stitch, just probably 2 holes. It'll be nice and easy. And then we'll add a little something to it. So I'm just gonna eyeball, do 1 and 2. My needle, my poor squished needle. It's so squished, it's hard to thread. I think we'll put this way. And we can tie a little bow on the outside. Oh my gosh, I need one more finger. Oops. Come on. Come on. Trim this off. All right. So let's see. I have a pencil mark on the inside of this. Get rid of that. Yeah, that's fun. A little extra book that you can toss in your December daily. But let's see what we can add. I think this would look cute at the bottom. I'll lose my needle, put that back. Or do we want little patches? I don't know about that because it is gonna, I guess it wouldn't have to, but it will go probably in here, and that red doesn't quite match. Maybe we want this up here. Yeah, let's do that. Come on. All right. Me and my gluey fingers. What else can we add? Let's see. this right there kind of matches the paper lace. I like this little Santa too. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. Okay, and then this can go in, oops, our December daily. It's cute. All right, so that guy I think is good. And then let's see if we want to add anything fun to this one. Let's see. I was hoping my, what's it called, Winkastella. Okay, husband and I found my Winkastella. So I was thinking I could just add a little sparkle. I was watching lots of the other elves and they were using Winkastella. I'm like, oh man, I haven't pulled that out in a long time, and it just adds just a itty bitty bit of sparkle, and it looks so cute. Maybe a little on the letters. Well, while I'm doing this, let's see if I can talk and Winkastella at the same time. I want to thank you for watching all the 12 days and for the elves. They've made amazing things with the kits. And, oh, we have little berries down here. For purchasing the kit. My goodness, so many people were excited about the kit. It just really warms my heart, and it makes me really excited to keep pursuing digital kit stuff. So thank you. It's really, really cool. I really do appreciate all the support. All right, so that's cute. Just a little something blingy. All right, so this is where I have to stop, or I'm just gonna I'm gonna overdo it. Okay. Then what do we want to do to this one? I don't know. Something here, but I don't know what that would be right now. I feel like I might just leave it, and then when it's in the journal, I might know what I want to add. And then I didn't use this. I think I'm gonna hold off onto this for the day. I think it's the 6th, no, is it? Yeah, maybe the Wednesday, the 16th. Julie and I are going to have a use up your scraps day. Pretty sure. I haven't talked to Julie to confirm that again, but I think that was the date we discussed before. All right, so here's day 12. This was pretty mellow one today. Come back tomorrow. We have a freebie, or I have a freebie for day 12 to kind of say thanks again and wrap up the 12 days. And then I was gonna do on the 13th, kind of a recap video of all the things that I made and my thoughts and all that good stuff. So that'll be on the 13th. So here we go. These are my projects for today. And I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Okay, bye-bye.